So in Heartwood Village, Block 3, Lot 12 available pa, no? 424 square meter. So ganun siya kalawak, di ba? Hanggang doon yung pwede nyo itayo na bahay nyo rito. Tsaka imagine, tingnan nyo yung view, di ba? Nature view. Yes. Still on pre-selling stage. Turnover will be 2027. Yeah. Few lots remaining, no? From 300 to 524 square meter. So, yeah. Check it out.
17.1 yan, Be? Pagcash. Ayan, benta mo, Sarah.
Heartwood Village. So, dito located yung Central Park, no? Yun yung kaninang lote na pinakita ko sa inyo, yun lang. Literal na tawid ka na, Central Park na, no? That particular lot is Park Premier Lot, no? 424 square meter. So roughly around nasa 20 m siya. Diba? Be part of the booming Binyan Laguna. So yeah, invest now in Heartwood Village in Meadowcrest. So we are here in Heartwood Village in Meadowcrest in Binyan Laguna by Federal Land. So nandun si Avea ni Ayala Land, no? Residential po yan. Nandito naman si Venido, then over there naman si Broadfield. Ayun yung commercial district ni Ayala dito sa Binyan. So talagang literal na kapitbahay lang siya ni Meadowcrest na township project din ng Federal Land dito sa Binyan Laguna, no? So ito si Heartwood Village, ang pioneer residential dito ni Federal Land. So bakit Binyan Laguna, no? Binyan is booming already. Yung climate dito is napakalamig, no? Lalo na ngayon, di ba? Napakainit sa Metro Manila. Perfect for investment din dito dahil yun nga malapit sa Broadfield na commercial center, malapit sa De La Salle Laguna, malapit sa Calax, no? So very accessible. Malapit din sa Tagaytay, Carmona, Cavite, di ba? So ang residential lots namin dito is from 300 to 542 square meter, no? So we still have a few residential lots remaining here in Heartwood Village. So if you want to check it out or gusto nyo magpa-schedule ng actual site visit, just let me know, no? So that I can assist you. So yeah, maging pioneer residence here, no? Be a first mover in Binyan Laguna, ika nga. So yeah, just message me for more details.